Hey guys, this is Crystal with Rockin' JC's Goat Farm. Having a bit of a rough day, so we decided to go sightsee. So I'm going to bring you guys along for that. So give me a second. Guys, I want to show you a pretty amazing view here. Check it out. This is what we get to look forward to.
Cool.
Pretty amazing little lake.
Oh,
nice little dam right there. Hey honey, so we're at this little spot where they've got a lake and a dam, but I got something really cool I want to show you. Check this out. There's a cave right there, but then there's this building right here.
It's an old mill.
It's an old mill.
For mill and pin cotton.
For mill and picking cotton. This is so cool. Just wanted to share that with you. Just some more beautiful sights I wanted to show with you, honey.